Nice cup of coffee. I'm a coffee in the morning, tea in the afternoon sort of person, me. And you can't beat a good cup of coffee, you can't beat a good cup of tea, and you can't beat a good holiday, which is what I got back from a few days ago, having spent a week up in Hunstanton in northwest Norfolk. And we stayed at a place called Searles Leisure Resort, and we were within easy striking distance of the lovely west facing beach at Hunstanton. And there's a sea wall that you can go along and enjoy the shorebirds, sunsets and all the other pleasures that being by the sea has to offer. And my next 3 or 4 videos are going to be based on stuff I had the opportunity to point my camera at while I was on holiday, sort of things that I don't often get the chance to point my camera at when I'm at home. And so I hope you will enjoy these upcoming videos. But this one is something to do with some sound that I recorded. So let's have a listen, shall we? Well folks, it's something really different today on Naturally Curious UK. It's something to listen to rather than something to look at, and I'm at Searles Leisure Resort in Hunstanton, and from the chalet where we were staying we could hear a sound that we couldn't make up our mind whether it was a mechanical squeaky bearing or a natural sound. And I've come down towards the chip shop, and I got almost all the way to the chip shop, and the closer I got, the more convinced I was that it was a mechanical sound. And then, with the chip shop on my right, I realised the sound was coming from my left, and it wasn't coming from their air conditioning unit at all, but from a raised bed of vegetation. Let's have a listen. You might already be able to hear it a little bit, but let's have a listen. Now, I can't see what is making that noise, but I presume it's some kind of cricket. So I'll have to do some research when I get home and see if I can find out what it is. So yeah, as a result of my online investigations, I do think that it was probably a field cricket which was making that sound. So, as I like to say, you should use your ears as well as your eyes when you're exploring nature. And I hope you enjoyed that. Do join me again soon here on Naturally Curious UK. Meanwhile, as always, stay safe, stay sane, stay curious, and you know the rest. Keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are.